I wanna see Rum Beezy here. Yeah, today we're gonna start the vlog with some cutting. Put on my protection, you understand? Another day on Project Beezy. Going to tuck the wire harness and all. So yeah, this is what we're cutting up today. I'm going to go grinder, going to go at it. Alright, first hole cut, next hole over there. Everything cut up, you know. You put the heat shrink on everything. Solder it up. I like that. Alright, so it's the first wire soldered in heat shrink. I'm going to the rest of them. Alright, never really get to video still. You done know my phone always dying, blood. So I can't take iPhones. I don't be rolling with my camera, but yeah. This side of the light harness done spliced up and soldered back on and tucked between you, as you can see. See, so it comes from back there underneath the fuse box, run through here, and run her straight across under the radiator support and on top of the lights. So I soldered back up the window, wiper motor, and the rest of the light harness and thing. So yeah man, she coming along. I like that. The Beezy way. Push it up. No, don't sit upside down. I want love tire shine, don't they? Love a tire shine. Yo, I hear the pounding and everyone know. I don't know what's going on.
You don't know what I'm going to reverse spot that time?
Yeah. Hey, Miss Ollie. Open him warm, yeah. See that food? What?
Yeah, supposed to be passing between them cracks.
Yo, let's start trying fucking thing. I don't have a tree growing in here, gone. Watch that. They think it got roots. The floor wet and things on it. No way. Well, yo, I think this is very cool. Yo, this is a Hummer farm with a built-in air compressor. So you could pump up the tires like right there. Look at this thing. Check this thing out. This hard now. Me build one and first Civic one day, but children, man. All demon looking cats. Sponsors. Bombard. That's a hot one. Yo. No.
Pressure. Yes, oxygen. Yeah, both them.
Yo, my ears,
How you get so far?
bro, my ears blow, bro.
So you know, say for you going on there. Yeah?
I don't know, I'm confident. You know, just make us see it, bro. Just look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but just say you hide your face.
This is your computer, Bridget. This is your computer.
Alright, hide your face. Alright, turn it.
No.
Alright, turn it. You know your face. Turn it. Quick time, brother. Y'all start, brother. It's gonna be fun. Brother, it's not for the vlog. It's for the group chat. Yo, brother, come now. Yo, brother, in on your face, just put the thing. Yo, you good doing it. Before my rice and gravy. Come on, a B.
Rain out, no spoon.
Yeah.
See how you have to do it.
What I
I'm looking at my phone.
What's boy, you gotta improvise sometimes. You better hungry, so you.
I don't know. I don't know how I go reverse like
So you have to manually select gear from the tranny down there. Manual self. Rum.
Shut up.
Rum. Ease up off the brake a little
Ease
bit.
up off my brake. You love your life? One man. That's a deal.
Alright, we just steer that deal here.
Nah, go on reverse. Nah, no.
So you getting the box fit.
Beezy way.
They go and shake it like I said, they put up on the dashboard and tell you on the pan like so.
That's up, man.
Is that body repair that painted up of your gears? We'll have a go on it.
You can tell us and get back in socket, not true?
It's up, come on, alright.
Real quick. I know I hear man. That way I look
What a
over.
guan.
Very things.
Okay. Dance me again, boy.
The confidence in opinion television as fake news. These are really, really dishonest.